I'm good.
All right, perfect. Okay, so based off of what you see in guided discourse in that protocol and what we noticed in your classroom, what do you think your action steps should be?
I I think I should make maybe much more slower because I think I'm too urgency because I think the time is limited. So I should teach more and have a lot of chance to make students practice more. I think the thought uh, confused me because the really learning and the really understanding is much more important than what I told them. So I think I feel much more slower, especially when I looking around uh, the classroom. I should much more notice that what students should actually know and what they didn't know. Then have a lot of chance to post the misunderstanding or the right answer to uh, to the grapple and have a lot of chance to for students to talk. And that's really learning and that's all really learning and really thinking of the students. Yeah, so I think the action step, my action step, the first might be um, focus on the students' real thinking and keep searching for students they doing right and actually another side is students' wrong answer. Then go student to show code on the dashboard, on the board, and have a lot of question to give students chance to talk about their thinking and maybe have some conclusion for their thinking to the main idea and write down students thinking as their problem solving skill, not just only talk to my my thinking about the problem solving skill. The students is much important than me because that's their really understanding. So the, I think maybe I'm too ur, ur, urgent to have students, old students to learn the skill. So I talk too much and I have a lot of misunderstanding about what what students. Wait me a second. I think I have a little bit misunderstanding what is really learning for students
Mm.
because maybe I just think a student can solve the problem is the right thing, but I should go for about their problem solving skill thinkings because that's really left in their brain. Not I told them, but he find himself. So I think uh, I should go for a to vote to have more questions for students talk about their thinking on my class. Yeah.
Mm. And what I'm hearing you say is you're going to leverage the knowledge in the room, and you're going to have students talk about their thinking.
Yeah.
And so I typed up what I heard you say. You said your action steps would be to focus on student thinking and problem solving skills by first launching a show call, second, posing questions, third, engaging in a turn and talk, And last, concluding thinking by writing down the problem solving skill or strategy.
Yep.
So I'm going to drop that in the chat box, and I want you to hold on to that because now we're going to go into planning. I want you to think about an upcoming lesson that you have based off your current student performance and think about how you can engage in a show call. Think about at least 2 to 3 questions that you could pose to the class, then have them turn and talk, and think about what is the problem-solving strategy that you want students to name on their own as you guide them to that. So take 3 minutes, silent solo, to think about that lesson.
Okay.